YouTube, what's the scene? It's your boy Chef back again with another video, man. As you can see, we are in the M2, little nighttime POV drive. Y'all know the vibes. Y'all love, y'all dead love a good nighttime POV drive. So I said, fuck it, why not give you? Oh yeah, they moving. Let's go straight to it, like a dancer. That Tesla is bugging, boy. I'm not gonna lie. As you can see, it snowed here a little bit in New York. I don't know if y'all can see it, but it snowed here. I got a little snow in my window and shit, but yeah, it snowed here today earlier here in New York. Regular degler. He wasn't really expecting it, but it is what it is. Yeah, I'm probably not gonna do too much talking in this video. Just more like a calm, little nighttime POV vibe. You know what I'm saying? That's really about it though. Let y'all hear the car a little bit. Yeah. Make sure y'all boys like, comment, subscribe. I appreciate all the support I've been getting on everything lately. Y'all been showing mad love. We remember road to 1K. I've been consistent, y'all. Come on. Help me, I help y'all. We help each other, you know, feel me? You feel me? But yeah, I appreciate all the love and support I'm getting. Make sure y'all boys keep like, comment, subscribing. Tell a friend to tell a friend. You know, bro, you know how this shit go. And yeah, enjoy the videos, man. Stuck closed. Not gonna lie, chat. This nigga is flying. opened up now, chat? Yeah, we're oh my god. Yeah, I think we're open up now, chat. Kicking a little bit like a fucking pregnant mother. Benz is hawking me, boy. I ain't gonna lie to nobody. He's on my ass. I ain't even gonna lie to nobody. Yo, the Benz is on my ass. This is my exit though, Muddy. I ain't gonna lie, my fault. You be safe out here though, Muddy. Nah, he fake was on bumper. I ain't gonna lie. Shout out to that nigga, son. That nigga. Yo, bro, if we had more highway, if this was my exit, man, we would have got some, you know what I'm saying? Niggas would have bust a woo wop on them. Had to tell that nigga chill, chill, chill.